Why are you laughing?
Because I heard you said, "Oh my God."
Ah, I just finished the previous class with
Uh-huh.
Clark, and
Ah.
yeah, the oh my God was for him, not you. Sorry. This is the
It's
first time.
okay.
Yeah, I'm.
It's
Yeah, I'm
okay.
sorry about that.
Yeah, nothing to say sorry about. Don't worry.
All
Do
right.
you mean to say you have how many classes today?
This is two.
Ah, this
Yeah,
is
this is
two.
two.
You mean this is the second?
Yeah, second.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
So, how long was your first class?
My first class today or entire my class? Entire my class.
Uh, yeah,
Uh,
today. I
Today.
mean your first class.
Yeah,
You have two classes today, right?
yeah, 10 p.m. I just finished.
Ah,
10 p.m.
how long was that?
Ah, 30 minutes.
Ah, 30 minutes
Yeah,
too.
for 30
Wow.
minutes.
Do
So,
you do you always study for 1 hour every weekend?
no, I just study 3 times a week.
I see.
Yeah, but the last Friday there was a blackout in the Philippines, as I know, so I couldn't
Mm-mm.
take a class last Friday.
I
So
see.
I just don't want to touch about English, so I applied for extra classes today.
I see.
And my baby already fall asleep, so I can take a class.
I see. That's good.
Yeah.
So you have a baby. How young is your baby?
Uh, my baby is 4 years old in Korea, and
Ah,
she's
I see.
internationally 3 years old.
I see.
Hmm.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And yes, your name here, as I can see, is Chase.
yeah, Chase. Call me Chase.
Hi, Chase. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
teacher Yana.
Yana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before we start with the class, can you tell me why you're studying English?
English. Now, my current goal is to be a soldering employee at the other country for
I
my
see.
work. Yeah. So I'm now a assistant manager,
I see.
and I'm gonna be a manager in a couple of years later,
I see.
and I will have a chance to go work for the other country.
Wow.
So now I'm just preparing English,
I see.
yeah, for getting it.
Wow. Do you mean that your current company
Yeah,
maybe has some affiliation in a company outside Korea?
yeah, we have a lot of factories outside of Korea.
Ah, that's cool.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. I'm happy to hear that. I'm
yeah,
happy for you. Not
thanks.
so many people have that kind of opportunity, right?
Right. And
Okay.
especially my department, I, my department can give us a lot of chance
Mm.
to
I'm curious
go
about
abroad.
your department.
You're curious?
Yes.
Um,
Can you tell me a little bit about your department?
all right. I'm actually working for a
Oh,
motor company, car company,
Hy- Hyundai?
Hyundai. Yeah, right. I'm an
Wow.
employee from Hyundai.
Uh-huh.
We have lots of not lots of. We have several factories
Mm-mm.
all over the world. Not all over the world. Yeah, yeah. And there are four types, four big parts in my company,
Mm-hmm.
and press factory and body factory, paint factory, and assembly factory. You might guess what those factories are,
Yes, I
right?
have some
Yeah,
idea. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So I'm working for an assembly factory.
Uh-huh.
So my job is to make uh, manufacturing equipment used in common for manufacturing several type of vehicles in a
Mm-hmm.
line, in one line.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Assembly
yeah,
factory.
assembly
Okay, so
factory.
that's like where you assemble. So you get all the parts from other factories, and that's where you assemble.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
assemble. We assemble parts to body to make complete car.
Oh, that's the
Yeah, like yeah, seat. We have a
most
seat.
exciting, I think.
Yeah, we have a seat and steering and suspension, engine, a lot of parts to make complete car, right?
Yes.
So, um, for example, not engine, seat is heavy enough. Uh, we cannot handle them with ourselves. We need some facility. I mean, we need the equipment to put them into the car.
Yeah.
So I work for those kind of equipment. I
Oh,
prepare, yeah, for those kind
I
of
see.
equipment to make uh, all vehicles even
Mm-hmm.
in a line, in the same line. When new car
Uh-huh.
is coming to the line,
Mm-hmm.
the shape of part could be different. So we
Mm.
need to do something for that equipment. So yeah, I do that kind of jobs.
I see. So
Mm.
you also have a background as a mechanic?
Yeah, right. Mechanic and electronics.
Ah, sounds like a tough job.
Yeah, even though I didn't major in mechanical things, I
Uh-huh.
majored in polymer engineering, chemical engineering, right?
Right, I see.
Yeah,
I see.
but yeah, I'm
Um,
doing like this.
Interesting. I thought that
Mm.
I spoke to you, I'm thinking that the tools you're using to assemble are ordered from another manufacturing company. So now I understand that you also make those tools.
Not much, just modify or um,
Ah,
um,
modify.
yeah, modify and yeah, install new one is
Mm.
included. But I don't do I don't do it by myself. I just you I work with suppliers, equipment suppliers.
Mm.
Yeah,
I see.
I
So
just
you are
yeah
the ones who's checking the quality and all?
right yeah and plan to uh, plan to do not plan to do a project
Mhm.
over yeah overall and
Wow.
yeah, purchase equipment from supplier
I
and
see.
just follow drawings of them and
Oh,
installing yeah, and after manufacturing.
interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. I have a special interest on assembling things because I used to work with my dad whenever he fixes something, like a
Mm.
broken TV, a broken whatever,
Yeah.
and I watch him put them together. So
So
I think
are you good at fixing things?
I used to be kind of good at it, but I haven't done it for a long time. But as
Mm.
a kid, I was so curious about those stuff.
Wow. So are you an engineer now? Not engineer. You are a teacher. Sorry. So
No, it's okay. You know what? When I was in the university,
yeah.
I studied electronics and
Ah.
electronics engineering, but I wasn't able to finish that.
Yeah. So what are you doing here?
Yeah, I chose teaching after.
Uh,
Yeah.
so all right.
Teaching is better.
Definitely.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, Chase. I see that your topic is free talking,
Yeah,
so
free talking.
every time you have a class, you just do free talking.
Yeah, free talking. Sometimes free talking, or sometimes with a textbook.
Mhm. I
Uh,
see. Okay. If since it's our first time, really thank you for answering my questions. I'm just
no
really
worries.
curious. Uh, Anything else you want to add? I want you to speak more.
Actually, I know your. No, I have a. Uh, I mean, I have an experience to apply for your class a couple of week ago. It's
Yeah, you know what?
yeah.
I'm.
I
I
think you
think you look
were
familiar.
yeah. You were not able to take a class then, so my the class was cancelled. So I
Ah,
remember your name.
really?
Yeah.
I see. I'm so sorry about that. I was sickly these days.
Yeah. Right.
In, it's called a frozen shoulder.
Ah. So are you alright now?
Right now,
Mm.
I'm still suffering from this pain, but I'm having some medication, so I think slowly I will be okay.
Frozen shoulder means your shoulder is stiff, like stiff, right?
Yeah, stiff and it's painful,
Oh
and
my God.
the pain is kind of disabling. You know,
Mm,
you're I'm just seated like this, but I feel like someone is doing this to me, like very strong grip, and
mm.
it's painful.
So now, can you feel pain right now?
Um, I do, but not all the time. Like
Mm,
right this very moment, I don't feel anything,
mm.
but few minutes later, I will feel something.
You know,
It's weird.
I always feel pain on my shoulder and neck, even now.
Ah, really?
Yeah, I'm always slouching, and my posture is like this.
I
So
see.
yeah, I always feel pain. So nowadays I go to kind of fitness center to correct my posture,
Oh,
and
okay.
yeah, I exercise to fix
That's
my
good.
posture.
Uh-huh. Do you have like a coach, fitness coach?
Yeah, one of no one person teach me how to uh, correct my posture, and
Okay.
yeah, he um, he touched my neck and shoulder, and he massaged, and he tried to fix my bone
I see.
using his like this one. What is this one? What do you call
Uh,
here? Yeah, what do you call here? 팔꿈치.
what's this again?
Yeah,
I forgot. I forgot.
yeah, forgot it. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah,
I'll try to remember.
that's alright.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Mm,
Really? Wow. Yeah, I think for those kinds of conditions, you really have to have a coach. It's hard to go fixing it yourself, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Like me, I do self physical therapy.
Mm,
I just watch YouTube videos and try to
mm.
copy, It's helpful though.
It's helpful. YouTube.
Yeah.
What do you watch?
Some exercises for
Uh,
this kind of trouble.
yeah. when you watch YouTube, you should keep something for your posture. Can I tell you?
Uh, okay,
Uh,
sure.
so when you watch YouTube or no, do you usually use your computer, PC, right?
For YouTube, I use
Mm.
my phone.
Your phone.
Yes.
If you use your computer, you have to match your monitor to your eyes. I mean, your monitor should be upper than the level of your eyes.
Ah, really?
Yeah. If the
Uh-huh.
monitor is lower than your eye,
Mm-mm.
it like here.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is not good posture.
Uh-huh.
So you have to lift your monitor as much as you can, as high as you can.
Ah, that's a good tip. I will remember that. Like right now,
Yeah,
the level of my eye,
yeah,
if this is like the
monitor.
yeah, this is the monitor, right?
Yeah,
My eye level is, it's the highest part.
yeah, right, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for example, yeah, this is the monitor, and then I'm here. Um, oh. I'm so bad in drawing.
That's okay. I don't care.
Yeah. So this is like my head. Yeah. And my eyes is here. So can you imagine? So
Yeah,
I think here.
right, right, right.
So my monitor is here. So it's wrong. I should put it higher.
You should put it higher.
Okay. I will remember that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Chase. I
No worries.
Okay. Anything else? How long have you been going to the gym for that posture fixing
2 months. It's been 2 months.
workout?
Yeah,
Ah,
it's been 2 months. But I yeah. Actually, my work. No, You know where Busan is?
yes, I can
You
put. I
know.
can imagine
Mm.
it in the Korean map.
Yeah. So have you heard about Ulsan?
Yeah, I have heard about Ulsan too.
Mm, it takes 1.5 hours from Ulsan to Busan, and from Busan to Ulsan. And I used to live in Busan, but my
Mm-mm.
workplace is Ulsan. So it took 2 hours by train. I commuted by train, and it
Oh,
took 2 hours one
I
way.
see.
Yeah. So I didn't have much time to exercise and go to gym.
Mm,
Uh, but
yeah.
I moved Ulsan 2 months ago.
Ah,
So now I have a lot of time after work.
I see.
Yeah. So I go to the gym.
Okay. So you made a good decision of moving to Ulsan.
Right.
I see.
But my
Okay.
wife uh, had to quit her job because
Oh,
she used to work in Busan as well.
yeah.
So
And
but
until now,
until
or
now,
she has a new job now.
no, she's just a housewife.
Ah, I see.
Mm.
So maybe at this time she's looking for a new job in
She wants to
Ulsan.
find her job, but she has to take care of our babies.
I see.
Baby, yeah.
Who used to take care of your baby when you were in Busan?
My mother. and my father.
Ah, I
Yeah,
see.
they lived near my house, actually in the
Mm-mm.
same apartment, but
I see.
yeah, and they um, they took care of my baby for 1 year, but my baby always tried to find my wife, and she was always crying, and my parents were really hard, and we decided my wife to quit her job.
I see. Okay, that's okay. I think as long as your income is enough
My
you know,
income, yeah, is not
to
enough.
support the whole. Oh, it's not.
I
You have to
cannot
make.
save any money after she quit her job.
Ah, I
Well,
see. Question:
yeah, yeah,
when you will be moving to another country for
mm,
your job,
yeah,
are you going to bring your family with you?
yeah, right.
Ah, I
That's
see.
why,
What
yeah,
is?
I want to go abroad because of my baby. I want to make circumstance to use English for her. So that is
Yeah.
the, yeah, big reason. That is the main reason why I want to be, yeah, in the other country, because my,
I
yeah,
I see. I
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Ihehesaya.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Akitki.
I want my baby to speak English fluently, like native
Uh-huh.
speakers.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That will happen. If you will live there, then yeah, that's what's really gonna happen.
I think so. I can stay there for 4 years.
Wow,
I
that's a long
Yeah,
time.
4 years. I can. I think I. She can study English. Not study English. She can speak fluently. She can speak English fluently if she stay for 4 years. It's,
Mm,
yeah.
yeah. But how old will she be? So maybe now she's 4. By that time she will be 5, and she can
Oh,
study from 5 to 9, maybe. Uh-huh.
I think 8 to 12.
Oh, 8 to 12.
Yeah.
I see.
I need
Uh-huh.
some more time. I need more time to get a chance.
Why why more time? Not
But,
next year. Why not next year?
ah, so I'm a assistant manager now,
Right.
and yes, only manager can have opportunity to go abroad.
Ah, I
Manager,
see.
yeah,
I
over
see.
manager,
Okay.
yeah.
I I understand. So there's so you have to wait for your manager to level up so
Right,
that you
right,
can also level up.
yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
After I promote to manager, yeah, finally I
After
can get
I
a
yeah,
chance.
I see. So I think your wife can still find another job before you all go to
So
the
my
other
wife,
country.
yeah, she's always searching information to get any job here,
Uh-huh.
uh, but it's not easy to get. And actually, my baby started going to kindergarten,
Oh,
uh,
I
so
see.
so she's searching, um, can I say, getting position information.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
I see.
But yeah,
Oh,
she is still finding.
uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, time will come. She will be able to find something for her.
I
Yeah,
hope.
I understand. I'm under the impression that in Korea it's really not very easy to find a job.
Right. But
I
what
see.
about Philippines? Is it better than here?
It depends
Finding
on
a
the
job?
kind of job. Yeah, it depends on the kind of job. I think right now the booming companies are call centers, I guess. I don't know.
Call
I'm
centers.
not. I have not been watching TV for a long time
Mm-hmm.
now. So, but yes,
What about Mint English? Is it easy to be a teacher in Mint English or difficult to enter Mint English?
it's quite difficult, especially for those who don't have a lot of experience.
Mm,
Yeah, like for example, out of 100 applicants, maybe they'll get 10, and then 10 will go on training, something like that. And then from training, only 2 or 3 will
oh, really?
pass, something like that.
Mm,
It's quite tough too.
all right.
Okay, that's a good question though. I was reading your request, and you said here that you want to be corrected
Yeah, yeah.
right away. I'm so sorry. I just realized. I just like
That's all
saw
right.
it.
I was talkative today, so you didn't have time to correct my English.
Uh, but don't worry, I have a list here. Actually, how can I show you? Um, Let me try to remove this camera. So I'm gonna send you this. Can you see it? That's my notepad.
Oh, you typed a lot of things.
Yeah, there it goes.
What what a thankful.
There. That's the list. I'm gonna send this to you later.
All right. Thank you very much.
Although the corrections are minor, actually. That means to say I can understand your English perfectly.
But I made a lot of mistakes.
Uh,
I know, even though I know make I make mistakes, but I cannot help making mistakes. I don't know.
it's okay to make mistakes.
Difficult, yeah.
There's a difference between fluency and accuracy.
Um,
Yeah, when we're talking about fluency,
yeah.
you get a high score here. Accuracy is a little bit lower, but as long as you're fluent, that means you can express yourself in English in a way that you can be understood. That's okay. I think you have to really work on accuracy if your job is related
Yeah.
to writing, or
Yeah.
if you work on making
Uh, mm.
correspondence. Yeah.
I don't use English at all at work. So just
uh,
here, mint.
really?
Yeah.
I see. How long have you been studying with us?
And in here,
Yes.
1 month.
Only 1 month
Yeah, it's
and
been one
you're
month since I studied Mint English.
so that means prior to joining us, you already have a good foundation.
I just,
So you're
I,
just trying to make it more like better,
yeah, right.
more
All right.
words to learn, more expressions.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Just
I see.
want to speak English as much as I can.
Okay. And today I think you did well.
All right.
I heard you speak a lot.
Thank you for listening to me.
Yeah, I like it that you're talkative today.
Okay, I hope we meet together later.
Yeah, me too. So thank you for your time. I'll send you the corrections as soon as I can, okay?
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye
Yeah,
now, Chase.
yeah. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.